Hey everyone, Chell here with Prismatic Powders. I've got a quick video for you today and we're going to show you how to clean the Prismatic Powders Fluidizer. This Fluidizer is very easy to set up, take down, and easy to clean. There are no tools required and all you need for cleaning is clean compressed air and a clean damp cloth. Now first let's go through the parts of the Fluidizer. You have the Fluidizer base, a membrane, a gasket, the hopper, and the lid with the pickup tube. Each time I'm finished coating, I blow off the Fluidizer before I pour the powder back into the bag. This is going to minimize the risk of contamination just in case anything other than our powder has settled onto the outside of the Fluidizer. Now with the powder back in the bag, it's time for simple and easy cleaning. I usually start with the lid by blowing out the pickup tube towards the filters in the booth, then blowing off all external surfaces. I'll follow up with my clean damp cloth by wiping down the pickup tube and the inside of the lid. Set the lid and pickup tube aside. Then separate the hopper from the base and blow off the inside of the hopper. Follow up by wiping all surfaces with the damp cloth, beginning with the inside of the hopper, and then wipe down the outer surface. Reassemble the lid and the pickup tube onto the hopper and set it aside. Next, blow out the Fluidizer base with filtered compressed air. This will typically lift the gasket enough to grab with your fingers. Use the damp cloth to wipe down the gasket and then set aside. The membrane needs to be treated with care. Never use any chemicals to clean the membrane. Simply use compressed air to blow across the smooth surface of the membrane. This is the surface that faces up when you reassemble the Fluidizer. Now, you can reassemble the Fluidizer by placing the membrane in the base, placing the gasket on the membrane, then secure the hopper to the base. Now, we deliberately did not show the cleaning of the pump head simply because the designs may vary, but for the pump head, we recommend using compressed air to blow out all the orifices and connections and then inspect them for contamination before reassembly. But it's that simple. Using this method will keep your Fluidizer clean and operational for a long time and help mitigate cross-contamination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.